whatever is the place of a particular game. So maybe 4 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 6 kilometers, we will be identified the hotel. And 5 kilometers is a big distance. That's not. It is possible to find hotels there.
What is the total participation that could be expected?
It will be definitely more than 4,500.
And this will be located at various locations.
This we are talking about players. Then technical officials will be there. Then coaches will be there. So roughly about 8,000 to 9,000 which will be coming.
How many states?
How many
states?
That will be after finalizing the entry, because it's a different kind of setup. Top 8 teams will be participating in that, of individual as well as team events. So then they will have to see the results of their national championship. Then they have to see which are the top 7 teams. If 8 team is Goa. Even if in a case Goa is among the 7, then they will identify the 8th team. So this is the kind of setup. So how many states will be there, we will come to know only at a later stage when this exercise is finished.
Today we have met the competition directors who were supposed to meet us today. Tomorrow there is a big list. Yesterday we met about 12 competition directors. Today only 4 of them, and tomorrow there will be about a dozen competition directors along with the state officials. So we have drawn a list of things to be adhered to by the competition directors while making their assessment, visiting the sites, and while visiting they are supposed to see the facilities existing at the existing stadiums and facilities that will be done at the non-existing stadiums. In certain cases the works have started, it has come to plinth level. In certain cases it would start in about 8 days time to be completed well before time for the games. So in such cases the competition directors have seen the designs, they have discussed with our engineering cell, which is headed by Mr. Anil Ringne, who is sitting to my left. He is the Chief Engineer of PWD, now on deputation with the Sports Authority of Goa, overseeing the construction of projects that are already going on, the construction of projects that will happen in the next 8 days or so. And he is assisted with various, as many as 3 executive engineers, assistant engineers, junior engineers, etc., etc. So by and large things have gone very well. After I brief you, the GTCC chairman will also talk to you. After he would brief, maybe you could begin with your queries, questions. Contribution from the state. The budget is in the range of 400 crores on various, components like accommodation, equipment, the training of the state teams, then transport, food,